Hey guys, no intro today, but today we are just gonna do a really fancy, elegant updo. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this updo, I think I wanna leave some bangs out in front like this. They're kind of long, but I will curl them. And maybe some hair on this side, or maybe I shouldn't. No, I like that. So basically what we're gonna do is 3 ponytails, 2 up here, 1 below. So let me show you. So I'm just going to split my hair into 3 sections. Try to do it evenly, I guess. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you don't want one section much bigger than the other. So, and I guess it's up to you. Do you want it right on top of your head? Do you want it a little lower? I think I'm gonna do like right here. Now you don't want your ponytails to be super far apart. So you do want to kind of keep them close together. I've got 2 right here, and I'm going to do 1 beneath it. Okay, so here's my 2. We're going to do 1 right here. And I think that I said this already, but make sure you put your ponytails as close together as you can. That's going to make this hairstyle a lot easier to do. So once you tie your ponytails, they should end up looking something like this. What you're gonna do, and I'm gonna do this from the back so you guys can see it, is you're just gonna split one of your ponytails into 2 sections, and you're just twisting those 2 sections around each other. Just simple twists all the way down. Arms are just really sore today. I did not work out, I did not do anything. It's just sore, maybe from the way I slept. Who knows? Perks of getting older. All right, so I have this little guy, you can see this nice little twist. All I'm gonna do is just gently pull on this twist. We want this to be a little bit fuller. Make sure you hold on to your ends so you do not let go. And we're just gonna kind of just pull it a little bit. See how it looks a little bit thicker? That's good, that's what we want. Make sure you do underneath too. So I have this twist underneath as well, and I want to pull on it underneath too. So all we're gonna do is take this twist and just wrap it around that base of our ponytail. So here's our ponytail, we're just gonna wrap it around. So take it, wrap it, just like this. And once I get to the ends, it kind of came undone a little bit. I'm just gonna twist them, tuck them up underneath, like this. So we're just doing like a twisted bun. Does not have to look perfect. I promise you, the combination of these 3 buns together is just gonna look really nice. So I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and bobby pin it right down. I'm only gonna use 2 bobby pins, so you don't need like a ton of bobby pins for this hairstyle. There's 2 bobby pins, it's nice and secure. We're doing this with all 3 of our sections. Twist your sections around each other, just like what we did. So I muted myself here because I was a chatty Cathy and would not stop talking, but I am just repeating exactly what I did the first time, just creating a twist and then wrapping that twist around itself to form a bun. All right, so here we go. I haven't showed you the back yet because I want you to see the front first, but now I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. Just do the same thing with your bottom section. But in lieu of my Christmas sweatshirt, I do hope that everyone had an amazing Christmas and a really happy new year. Wrap it around, wrap it around, wrap it around. Okay. And you know what? It's gonna look worse before it looks better. I promise you that. So we have to kind of stretch it, and we need to kind of pin our buns closer together. And this is like the fun part. This is where you just tweak it and make it yours. Kind of fluffing it. We want it to be nice and fluffy. Again, there's no like way of doing this besides just, I don't know, fluffing it out, pinning it, doing it to your liking. You kind of want your buns to overlap, be pushed in together, because you want it to look like one big fancy updo, even though it's not. So I'm just kind of taking these 2, bobby pinning them together, spreading out my buns until I'm happy with it. This is like a fancy updo. So one thing I'm going to do is just kind of pull on the top, give some volume here. And I kind of want to cover like any part lines, so this helps too from sectioning our hair earlier. Now you could definitely leave out more hair in the front and like pin it back. That would look really beautiful. There's all sorts of ways to do this hairstyle, and just, you know, play around with it. Make it fun, make it yours. I'm just gonna snip this a little bit because it's bothering me that this is a little bit longer. Hairstylists, turn off the video if you're watching. We're just doing a little snippy. Let's see, right here. Boop. That makes me feel better. I gotta have that like evenness or it drives me insane. All right, I switched shirts. I wouldn't say this is like a classy shirt, but it helps just see the hairstyle a little bit more. I am gonna curl this piece just a little bit. I think this looks so cute. Wait till you guys see it from the back. It is adorable. For my first time doing this, I'm very happy. Let's do a 360 and let me know what you guys think. So here's what my updo ends up looking like. It reminds me of like a Victorian, just really fancy, elegant updo. Obviously you wouldn't wear this. I mean, you could wear this to like a dinner or something, but it is fancy, and I think it's fun and beautiful. You could wear it for a wedding, bridesmaid, I don't know. I love it though. That's it, that's the video. I hope you guys like this. I hope you'll try it. I hope you found it helpful. Yeah, let me know what you want to see in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, please. I love you guys. Mwah! Bye.